Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we slice through the noise to spotlight gear that crushes it in 2025. Today I am totally fired up about the Breville Q commercial grade home blender, that beast of a machine that Amazon has right now. If you're blending smoothies for the fam, whipping up restaurant quality soups, or just done with puny blenders that quit on nuts, this powerhouse is your new kitchen hero. Stick with me as I break it all down, and trust me, you'll be dashing to the link in the description to score one before the deal vanishes. Let's blend this thing. Kicking off, the Breville Q looks sharp with its brushed stainless steel finish and hickory wood accents, premium vibe that elevates any counter. At the heart is a 1500-watt motor that powers through anything, no sweat. The jar? A massive 68 ounces, BPA-free Tritan copolyester that's shatterproof and crystal clear, so you see every whirl. It holds up to 12 cups, perfect for big batches without refills. Controls are a dream, 5 one-touch speeds from soft fruits to ice crush, plus a pulse for chunky salsas. The 12-star surgical-grade stainless steel blades are fixed but razor-sharp, designed for commercial durability in a home setup. Quiet Shield technology cuts noise to a low hum, and the Breville Assist Lid pops off easy with a click, no wrestling required. Weighs about 15 pounds, so stable but movable, with a 5-year warranty that screams confidence. Now, what makes it stand out? The variable speed dial lets you fine-tune from gentle stirs to high-speed pulverizing, ideal for everything from baby food to nut butters. Personal cup adapter swaps in for single-serve shakes, and it's got overload protection to prevent burnout. Users love how it handles frozen fruits without liquid, turning them into silky sorbets. The jar's ring pull lid lets you add ingredients mid-blend without spills and self-clean mode. Just add soap, water, pulse, and rinse, done in seconds. In 2025, with everyone chasing quick, healthy meals, this blender fits right in, blending pro results with everyday ease. All right, straight talk on pros and cons. Pros hit hard. That 1500-watt torque obliterates tough ingredients like kale or ice in under 30 seconds, yielding smoother textures than budget models. Super quiet for its power, easy to use with intuitive buttons even for newbies, and the huge jar means less mess for family portions. Durable build lasts through heavy use, and cleanup is a joke. No scrubbing blades. Versatile for smoothies, soups, dips, you name it. Cons? At 15 pounds, it's hefty for tiny counters, and the fixed blades mean no dishwasher for the jar base. Pricey up front, around $400, but the warranty softens that. Some say the personal cup feels like an add-on, not as seamless as full size. Overall, pros win big for serious blenders. My verdict? If you're leveling up your kitchen for daily blends that pack flavor and nutrition, the Breville Q is a total slam dunk. The power and quiet operation makes sense for busy homes. Who wants a screaming machine at breakfast? Grab it if durability matters, it'll pay off for years. Quick call, subscribe for more honest gear tests that save you time and money, like if this blended well, share with your smoothie squad. And seriously, click that referral link in the description. It fuels the channel and hooks you the best price. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. Like, share, or subscribe if it helped, and catch you next blend.